We got Rock and Roll 9. Let's do a little Simon and Garfunkle. Get on up there, honey. Show them how it's done.
Check it out.
Check it out. Y'all give it up for Rock and Roll 9.
Because of visions are so creepy. Let me see while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. And it's a restless walk alone down the streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. My eyes stare up by the flashing of neon lights. Split the night, take the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there to the sound of silence. Reason I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent breakup spells, people bow and pray to a neon god they made, and the sign got its warning in the word that it was for me. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls. Send me home, whisper of silence.